When you're choosing a railing system, you want it to look great and be durable. In this video, we'll show you a comparison of how rod and cable railing hold up in a load test. And while it's never recommended to stand on your railing, it's valuable to know that if something does occur and an unexpected amount of weight is applied to your system, that it can stand up to the challenge. First, let's look at the cable railing system. We're using 316 stainless steel cable, an industry standard. As you can see, when weight is applied, the cable loses its shape. But with cable, you're always able to retension it. Now, let's look at rod infill. These stainless steel rods are much more durable, and when the same amount of weight is applied, they retain their original shape, which means there's no need to retension the system, which is perfect for people that want a system that looks great with little maintenance involved. If you want more information on railing systems, check out Viewrail.com and we can help you find the perfect system for your project.